How to stop iPhone apps asking to rate that app. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down to the very bottom of the page and tap on Apps. This section lists all the applications installed on your iPhone. From the list, find and tap on App Store. This takes you to the specific settings for the App Store, where you can control permissions, downloads, and other preferences. Here, scroll down to find the in-app ratings and reviews option and tap the toggle switch next to it to turn this feature off. This will stop apps from asking for product feedback while you're using them. Turning off this option helps prevent interruptions and pop-up rating requests, creating a smoother and distraction-free user experience. Following these steps, you can easily stop iPhone apps asking to rate that app. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.